Hare Krishna. Welcome. Today's sloka, 13th chapter, 29th sloka. Please join.
समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र समवस्थितम् ईश्वरं न हि नस्त्यात्मनात्मानं ततो याति परां गतिम्.
Let us together enjoy the explanations by Lord Krishna. He has written very nicely the Gita earlier, and now he himself is telling about that. Both the sloka original and the explanation by Krishna are super efficient statements. Krishna says, one who sees the super soul in every living being and equally everywhere does not degrade himself by his mind. Thus, he approaches the divine destination. The divine destination is the most wanted thing for all of us. Once we reach there, Krishna has asserted so many places in the Gita. Once you reach this place, then you don't come back to this nasty world of birth, death, old age, and disease. So, this position of seeing Krishna in every living being, that is highly difficult, but that is the ultimate. So, I once asked my daughter, it's more than 25 years back, so whatever you see, wherever you see, you must see Krishna. Is there any way for that? Of course, I was senior, she was learning, but as a matter of discussion, I asked her. And I said, if I know that, then why I am in this position? That means her idea is Gaya Guzara position. That means I am not well up. If it is known that is, she had known to that extent that once you know that, that is the ultimate. That means wherever you see, you will see Krishna. And you, if he hits you or curses you or degrades you, you will think only Krishna is doing. You will see Krishna himself is talking. Then you will not get irritated, or all the negative things that normally follow will not be there. So this way, if somebody can do, then it is as if he is approaching the Goloka Vrindavana. There is no doubt in that, because Krishna is assured here. This indeed is the ultimate help Krishna is giving us. This method appears easy, but actually Krishna says in 6.35, 6th chapter 35th sloka, that this can be done by practice and detachment. I am only taking the methods, not subject is different. So only by practice and detachment this can be achieved. Thereafter, we have no diversion, no deviation. We approach the divine destination only. Now here approaches, see, everybody approach something or somebody with some purpose. Now this Ramesh is approaching Mr. Keshav and asking for his daughter. So Keshav is asking, you want to marry my daughter? Yes, sir. How much you are making? He said, 11,000 per month. Then Keshav was thinking, okay, I am giving my daughter 10,000 per month as pocket money. That means, then Ramesh was quick to interrupt and say, I have already taken the 10,000 into account, sir. That means what she is getting, he is already taken into account. He is getting only 1,000. How is that? Hare Krishna.